What's up guys, Emmanuel here. I want to go over my controversial trading setup. Now, a lot of people say you don't need a lot of screens. That is very true. You can trade off of one screen, but the more data I can personally collect and take in, the more confluences I can collect in the market and the higher probability I have in a trade. Now we're going to start off with the hardware of everything. I have everything running off of my Apple Mac right here, my Mac Studio M2 chip. I just bought it this month. It is absolutely great. Like I said, it powers everything. That is the controversial part. A lot of traders say that you cannot use Mac, you cannot use Apple, you have to use Windows. For all the programs I run, Mac runs absolutely fine. This thing is silent, it doesn't make a peep. As for everything that I own, hardware and software wise, it's going to be in the link in the description. Like I said, I have the M2 Mac. This is my 49-inch LG ultra-wide monitor. I absolutely love it. It's also a gaming monitor. I do not game on it anymore, but I used to. I also bought this year. Then up top, I have two 27-inch MSI gaming monitors also. These are about 4 years old. They never gave me one problem at all in 4 years. Then over here to the left, being that I planned on putting it vertical, I got a flat one. This is a Samsung 34-inch ultra wide. As you can see here, I have my Apple Mac. Right next to it, I have my Elgato Stream Deck. I use this just to open everything up very quick. I use it for buying and sell positions, but that's really it. Don't use it too often. Now the mic that I use to talk to all the traders in the premium Discord and the free is the HyperX Quadcast S. It's a streaming mic, it is absolutely perfect, and it sounds absolutely crisp. My keyboard is a Logitech MX mechanical keyboard. This is specifically for the Mac. It runs absolutely perfect also, and then I paired it with the mouse that they have. This is the MX Master 3S for Mac. It's absolutely perfect for my hand. It is big enough. I have a pretty decent sized hand. The only thing I dislike about it is you can see these sweat marks, which is kind of gross, I guess. Other than that, the overall feel of the mouse is absolutely awesome. All right, so we're gonna start from left to right. Over here, I have my Discord. This is where I talk to my members. This is where I put my pre-market plans and my intraday thoughts. Now, this is the main screen that I use. If I'm looking to trade NQ will be here, ES will be here, and obviously if I'm looking to trade NVIDIA will be here. When I'm trading, I want to see the biggest view. I want to see all the possible data I can get on it. Now up here, I usually keep my news. I'm using Unusual Whales. This shows me market tides, big option orders, and news down here. Now over here, we have a DOM footprint chart for Bookmaps. This is absolutely key. I can find hidden sellers and buyers on the tape in here through delta footprints, which is absolutely massive for me. It helps with my entries and exits, and helps to minimize my risk and maximize my reward. Right here, I'll pull up usually my option contracts on Thinkorswim, which is TD Ameritrade's Pro Traders platform. If I'm trading futures in the moment, my futures broker, which is Tradevate, will be up there. Now on this extra screen over here, as you can see, this is where I keep the top equities. I also keep VX and ES down here alone. The top is blank because that's usually where I keep OBS when I record my trades. Now, like I said, you don't need any of this. You can just use one screen. Plenty of traders only use one screen. But if I can take in the data and if I can understand all of this without making noise and confusion in the market, I personally think it is better. The more data I can take in, the more confluences I can make in the market, and the better risk to reward and probability of a trade I will have if I'm trading an edge. This all together helps me find my edge in the market. And again, all of this is powered by that little M2 Mac. This is also not the craziest model, it's not the biggest model, it's the absolute base model. I spoke with Apple over 2 weeks with 5 different people going through my brokers, my specs, everything like that, and they told me I would not need anything more than the base. So I went there, I planned on returning it within a couple of days thinking that they were wrong, and they were absolutely right. This runs everything smoothly, zero issues, zero lag, especially with Bookmaps. Bookmaps takes a lot of power out of the computer, and it just runs everything like a champ. I can literally plug my laptop in, charge it. I can edit a video at the same time that everything is running. I can basically do whatever I want on this thing. I even record my videos. I record my trades and myself. And this thing doesn't make a noise, I don't hear a fan go on, and I don't get any lag whatsoever. So if you're interested in any of these products or even the softwares that I have, everything's gonna be down in the description below. Also, if you guys are interested to trade with me or interested in my course, check out www.Wyze.trading.com. Any questions, there's a full page dedicated to that. If you have any more, you can always email me or message me on Discord.